Hi guys, this is Mudassir Khan. Please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share it. Here is the unboxing and review of Oneplus Bullet Wireless Z Base Edition River Bread. Just received from the Flipkart. 60 minutes delivery. By paying 50 rupees extra, we get the delivery in 90 minutes. 90 minutes delivery was there. This is the Oneplus Bullet Wireless Z Base Edition River Bread. I have purchased it this what is that return unit that is a renewed version of this, but that was not good. It was giving a lot of problems like no charging, no sound like that. That's why I returned it and purchased this OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z by paying regular price, that is brand new. So I just do the unboxing and review of this OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Just remove the seal here. Here is the seal. I think it can be, yeah. Just remove this. Here is the box opening. I think it is sealed. No, it is not sealed. Here we have to remove it things. No. I don't know how to remove this. Please sorry for this. Last time it was very easy. Yeah. I was holding this end. Okay. This is the wireless Bullet Z Base Edition. Here is the cello tapes. We have to remove here the cello tapes, and this is Bullet Wireless Z neckband Base Edition. This has magnetic connectors. It can be attached like this. If it is removed, it gets connected, and if it is attached, it gets disconnected. So this is this. Along with this, we get a Type-C cable for charging. This is the Type-C. This is the earbuds. We can place it for our this one. You have to depending on the ear size, medium, small, or large. And Type-C cable. Here is the Type-C cable. This supports watt charging. That is 10 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours of playback, and also if it is fully charged, it can play up to 17 to 18 hours. Okay, I have tested this. The bass is very good compared to your regular OnePlus Bullets. So the bass is very good, and the vocals and trebles are okay. I am not telling that it is very good, but the bass, according to the Indian need, they have increased the bass. So the Indian people like the bassy output, no? So that kind of music is playback is there. Further, I am requesting, please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share it. Thank you very much.